Want to get started with affiliate marketing for free? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over 5 actionable steps to help you get started for free. And that means no money down, no hidden costs, absolutely free. So stay tuned. Alright guys, in this video, I'll be going over 5 actionable steps to get you started in affiliate marketing for free. So that means no money down, no cost, nothing to lose. So I'm really excited to get to it. Number 1 is actually just narrowing down your niche. And I know a lot of times this may sound like super dreadful. You don't know what you're doing. You don't even know where to start. Well, some quick tips. Do what you're passionate about. Do something and be involved in either an industry that you just love, that lights you up. A lot of people like to give the advice as just go after something that is profitable, that you know is going to make you money, that's very relevant. But unfortunately, that's just not the case. It never really ends well when somebody is just starting out and when they don't have a lot of money to put into the business. So my best advice is to start with something free. And for an example, if you are very passionate about fitness and health, I would suggest starting your industry at fitness and then narrowing it down to who do you want to help in the fitness industry. So whether it's like women in fitness, and then narrow it down one more time and then go into like what kind of women in fitness, who are you helping, what problem are you solving, and then maybe it is college students. So women who are trying to lose that freshman 15 who are in college, that might be a great niche to go after. So really step 1 is just narrowing down your niche and understanding what problem you're going to solve and who you are going to help and making sure that you are very passionate about it. Alrighty you guys, so step number 2 is actually how you get started for free, right? And this is my best recommendation when you are starting for free and you don't have any money to even put into this business, you have nothing, not even $1 to your name. I recommend starting your business through a social media platform. The one I highly recommend would be starting your own YouTube channel. And the reason this is because YouTube is absolutely free. And it doesn't even suck that much time out of your normal day-to-day, which is great because time is money. And what is so great about starting a YouTube channel is you can really monetize it. You can literally speak to your direct audience. You can use those keywords, and it's really just sitting down, just like I am, creating a video, editing it, and uploading it, and then your YouTube channel runs for you 24/7, 365 days out of the year, and you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to put in a lot more engagement or anything after that, because you can use other social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn, which are all great. But if you really have to put more time into those social media platforms, you have to engage, you have to go and search and all of that, creating content and a lot of other things that go into it. YouTube, you sit, you record, you edit, you upload, and then it's running for you consistently 24/7. This video that I'm posting right now cost me $0 and only about 2 hours of my time. That's it. I just want to do a quick disclaimer. If you think that your face has to be shown in your video for you to create your own YouTube channel, that is not the case. Some of my favorite YouTubers don't ever show their face, and what they do instead is they will have like their computer, a PowerPoint, maybe their camera is focusing on something that's really important that they're holding, something that's about the video, and you just hear their voiceover. So if you think, April, I can't start a YouTube channel, I don't want to show my face, I get nervous, I start sweating and freaking out, and then I forget and mumble, don't worry. Take a deep breath and know that there are so many other ways that you can produce a video without showing your face. Alrighty you guys, step number 3. So you narrowed down your niche, you started your YouTube channel, or you started a social media platform, or maybe you had a couple bucks and you decided to get a website. The next step is getting into the affiliate program, testing it out, getting your link. So the one that I always recommend when you are just starting out is going to Amazon and joining their Amazon Associates. If you haven't heard of it, it's Amazon's affiliate program. And if you've ever seen somebody recommending a product off of Amazon in a blog or on their Facebook channel, or if you've ever seen those ads, or even just word of mouth, and then they're letting you know in a message like, hey, check out this link of this product that I'm using, just like I could be doing about this amazing light that I use in all of my videos, the chances are they're Amazon affiliate links. A lot of times you can see reviews of people and they get products shipped to them, they do a review and they upload it right back up to Amazon. It is definitely a great beginning affiliate program to get started with. Amazon Associates is one of the largest affiliate companies in the world. And what's great is that you can give somebody an affiliate link for a product or from a review, and they have up to 24 hours once they click that link to buy something, and then you will get commission off of it. Pretty cool, right? So again, it's one of my highly recommended beginner affiliate links. So definitely check it out. Alrighty guys, I know you guys are thinking, okay April, I'm gonna check out Amazon Associate and I'm going to start being an affiliate for them. Well, how does that relate to YouTube? Great question. So now that you have your niche, you have the affiliate program, and your YouTube channel set up, how I highly recommend is doing batch videos. You want to make sure before you start actually promoting those links that you actually create like almost a home of videos already where people can get to know you, get to see your authenticity, understand like what your knowledge is and where your knowledge base is at and why you're delivering this kind of content to them. So I highly recommend doing 3 to 5 videos before you start putting any links inside. And then once you hit that 3rd to 5th video, start promoting those products and doing those reviews and making sure you really connect to your audience and understand what problem you're solving with them. So for me, I have this amazing light that I paid $30 for. It holds my cell phone, it records, it goes up and down, it can be on a desk, it can be on the floor, 8 feet tall, and 4 feet, you know, all that good stuff. And if my audience were women entrepreneurs or YouTubers, this would be a great product for me to affiliate. And I would create a video about how to use it, my review, maybe an unboxing, putting it in different areas on different things. So maybe the floor, maybe on a book, maybe on a desk, and checking out all the features. And then that would be creating good quality content in a video that really matters to my audience, answering their questions that they probably have, and then solving their problems by this product. And then of course linking the affiliate link down below in the description, and always making sure there is a call to action. Client psychology here, human psychology here. Biggest tip ever is that people actually like to be told what to do. What? Honestly, I was shocked when I first learned this, but it's so true. Even if you're a rebel, we don't like confusion. We don't like to be told something and then have that, what I call a cliffhanger event, where they're like, okay, you gave me all this information, now what? What am I supposed to do with it? So your job, yes, your specific job is to give them that call to action and tell them what to do with that information. Tell them where to go, how to get there, and how to buy the product. So definitely remember that, and in my head, always do a checklist, making sure that is in your video. So, checklist right here. What is the product? How is it helping them? Answering any questions you think they might have about the product, and then of course, telling them where to get it. Quite simple enough, right? 4 easy steps as a checklist to remember when creating your video. Alrighty guys, step number 5, and probably the biggest question most people have when getting into affiliate marketing is, April, I have the product. I have either a website or a YouTube channel or wherever where I'm going to be connecting to my audience and giving them the information. How do I get my audience to get there? How do I get traffic? Well guys, it is quite easy, and here are some of my best tips for you. There are 2 ways to get traffic. One, organically, and the second one is paid traffic. Ads and things like that, organically word of mouth, good content, SEO, all that good stuff. Because with this video, we're talking about starting an affiliate marketing for free, we're gonna talk about organic. Now, just a quick disclaimer, if you do have a little bit of money to invest in your business, skip the website, start a YouTube channel, and take that small investment, $3 a day for 3 days, $5 a day for 5 days, however much that you have to offer, and put it towards paid traffic. This is amazing and great for you because it could give you the potential to getting hundreds to thousands of people and eyeballs on your content and your affiliate link so you can start making money ASAP. Alrighty, let's go back to free and organic traffic. Alrighty, you guys, so for organic traffic, and the goal obviously is getting as many eyes on your content, can almost seem like very difficult, right? And the best way to go about that is sharing the content as much as possible. Word of mouth, different social media channels, different channels in general. Really almost like guerrilla marketing techniques. You want to make sure you don't come off spammy and you don't come off annoying. So my best tips are really focusing on where your audience hangs out. Are there certain Facebook groups? Are there certain Instagram profiles? Are there forums, blogs, videos, things like that? Once you figure out where your audience is hanging out, it's all about sharing and giving them value. They're asking a question like, hey, I need a good light. What would you recommend? Send them your YouTube video, not your link. Send them your YouTube video and be like, hey, I did a review on this amazing light. I think it's fantastic. Definitely check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. Because you're not automatically selling them something, they're gonna have more of an interest and a trust factor to go check out your YouTube video and be like, oh, hey, this does fit all of my needs. It's in my price range. I'm going to use their link that they recommended. Easy peasy done. And then also another good way is connecting with big influencers in your audiences. So going to them, answering their questions, being like, hey, I recommend checking out this product, or I recommend checking out my YouTube channel and seeing if any of my videos can help you connect with your audience more. Being of value and being as helpful as you possibly can is the best way to build that trust factor, which leads to more eyeballs on your content, which leads to more sales. Don't chase the quick buck. It's never going to end well, and it might help really quick, but it's never going to bring in that sustainable income. And so what I highly recommend doing is knowing when getting into affiliate marketing that this is a marathon, this isn't a sprint. So setting yourself up for true success and sustainability is following these steps step by step, and really bringing in true value will help you create a business in affiliate marketing all from scratch, all free, no money invested, and creating that stable income that you need. So anyways, guys, that wraps up my strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of video, drop comments below and let me know. If you are in affiliate marketing and you've already done this, drop comments below and let me know, how did you start? Did you pay or did you do it with no money invested? Let me know, and I would love to hear from all of you. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.